Hi guys, today's 9Honey kitchen hack is how to make ultimate roast pork crackling. It's something that everybody loves, that crispy, snappy bite, but we don't always get it right, and I'm going to show you the ultimately easy way to do it because you will be shocked by how simple it really is to get proper, beautiful, crispy pork crackling. Okay, so first up you need some really good quality pork, and what you're actually looking for is something with a nice run of fat along the top because that's what melts down and helps it to go really, really crispy. Next, I recommend a craft knife for this because you're going to score the top of the fat, and the best way to make sure you get a nice even cut is to have a blade that you can choose the size of. And then all you need is a roasting dish and some salt. So the first thing you need to do to get really crispy pork crackling is you have to dry the skin out. This is the most important step. Most people just get pork straight out of the packet or unwrap it and think that that will make it dry enough. But what you actually need to do is really draw the moisture out. You can do this just by using paper towel and really pressing down on the skin to get the moisture out. But what I actually like to do is to put mine in the fridge because the dry atmosphere of the fridge really draws the moisture out, and then you end up with this lovely dry skin. Okay, so now we score the flesh. So now we've got all our beautiful cuts opening up the fat, which will help that go right down into the meat and really render down. And then all we want to do is a little bit of salt, and that is actually all you need to get the skin really, really crunchy. The most important thing here is as soon as you've salted it, it has to go into your baking tray and into the oven, because if you let it sit, the salt will pull more moisture out and it will make the skin wet again. So let's get to it. Apart from drying the skin right out, the only other thing you need to know is that the pork has to go into a really hot oven for the first half an hour of cooking. That means cranking it right up to 220 or 250 degrees, popping it in the oven for half an hour and letting the fat get all crispy. It sounds so good. Let's have a look. Did we get the ultimate crackling? Hey, sounds pretty good. All right, let's break some of this baby off. Look at that. Oh, snap. There you go. I'm taking one for the team. Oh my God. So crunchy.